Open houses, website inquiries, enrollment forms. The admissions office has always collected addresses from your school's current and prospective families. Put that data to work to inform your school strategy and educate and dazzle your head of school and board of trustees. Market View's Your Addresses feature gives schools a compelling visual tool to analyze their performance in the market. Where are there untapped areas with enrollment potential? How has your draw area grown or contracted over time? Which bus routes would serve the greatest number of families? Download the template spreadsheet from the Market View Your Addresses tab. Replace the templated data with the geographic data from your school that you would like to visualize. Simply add street address data in column A, city in column B, state in column C, and zip code in column D. Take a moment to review your data so that all of your addresses are successfully uploaded. First, search for and eliminate duplicate addresses. Next, clean your data. Verify that you have a complete and correct address for all of the entries. Run spell check to catch copy errors. Remove any extraneous characters such as pound signs or quotation marks. Now that your data is cleaned and ready, save the spreadsheet as a comma-separated values or CSV file. Upload the CSV file on the Market View My Addresses tab. Once uploaded to the system, you can plot your addresses onto Market View's powerful economic and demographic market map. Spot geographic trends. Drill down to compare your school's performance to the market's potential. And let Market View's dynamic visualizations drive more effective communication and better decision-making with your team, your head of school, and your board. We want to know how you are using Market View or other NAIS data to inform your school's strategy and take action. Share your story at insights@nais.org.